Hi students, today we are discussing about two fancy words. One is called predecessor, another is called successor. Those are seems to be complex, but I can assure you that already you know about those things. Let me tell you about the synonyms of predecessor. So first synonyms is called before. So you are familiar with before, and second one is previous. Two words, those are similar with the predecessor. At the same time, in case of successor, we have right here it is after. After is a synonym of successor, and another is called the next. So you are familiar with after and successor in your earlier classes. Let us take three examples. From those examples, we will discuss about predecessor and successor. Let us take one very simple digit, that is 8. Next one is suppose 100. Another is a little bit more larger than 100. That means suppose 15,999. Okay. Let us first find out the predecessor. That means before value of 8, or we can say what is the previous value of 8. Definitely all the question have the same answer, that means 7. How we get find the 7? So the rule or the method is that from that value we have to subtract 1, just we get the predecessor. So 7 is the predecessor of 8. What is the successor of 8? Or what is the after value of 8? What is the next to 8? All the question have the same answer, that is answer equal to 9. How we get the 9? Same thing, from that value you have to add 1. That means 8 plus 1 means 9. Anyway, to find out the predecessor of 100, we have to do the same thing. That means 100 minus 1. So here we write 100 minus 1, that means 99. Okay, very simple. And what is the successor of 100? We have to just add 1 to the 100. That means it becomes 101. So 100 plus 1 means 101. That is the successor value, or the after value of 100, or the next value of 100. We can remember as successor. So come to our third example. So again we have to subtract 1 from that value to find out the predecessor. Let us put here 999, subtract 1 from 9. If we subtract 1, then you will get 8. The remaining, since zeros are here, remaining values are like that. That means 15,998. So predecessor of 15,999 is 15,998. That is the predecessor value of this one. To get the successor value of this one, we have to add 1 to that value. Let us take here, it is 15,999. So if we add 1 plus 9 becomes 10. 1 is carry. Okay, here it is 0. Again 1 plus 9 it becomes 10. 0. 1 is carry. 1 plus 9 equal 0, 10. Again 1 is carry. 1 plus 5 means 6. Here it is 1. So it becomes 16,000. So adding 1 to that value, almost 4 digits just changing. The 1 is remaining same, all the digits become change. So that is why a little bit confusing for you maybe. So but very simple, you have to just add 1 to that value. Now come to the last point. How we can remember that predecessor is means before, and how we can remember successor means after, because a few days later on you will forget about predecessor and successor, what is the meaning. To remember this, I can give you two simple point. One is from your alphabet, what we have, that means A, B, C, like that way. So P, Q, R, S, isn't it? We get P, Q, R, S here like that. P and S, we take P and S. from that line we can extract a phrase, we can write a phrase like that: P always comes before S. Isn't it? It is true that P is always comes before S. So P means before. Another phrase is there, you can say success from your successor. From your successor, we can say success. Success always comes after hard work. Do you agree that success always come after hard work? If you do hard work only, then success come to you. So remember that phrase also in your life. So success is always comes after hard work. That means successor means after. From those phrases you have to remember, predecessor means before and successor means after. Thank you, boys.